Do you want to sound more natural in your English conversations? Well, here's a little secret. It's not just about mastering grammar, it's also about using everyday phrases. These phrases can make your English smoother, more polite, and give you that extra boost of confidence when you speak. Welcome to Plain Simple English. I'm thrilled you're here because this is the place where we learn real English in simple, relatable ways. If you enjoy lessons like this, please take a moment to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Together, we'll make English a fun and integral part of your daily life. So, why do phrases matter so much? Phrases are short groups of words that we use all the time in everyday conversation. They help you sound more natural and less robotic. Instead of thinking word by word, phrases allow you to express your thoughts more fluidly, making conversations easier and more enjoyable for both you and your listeners. Let's dive into some useful phrases that you can start using right away. Phrase 1, could you please? This phrase is a fantastic way to make your requests sound polite and respectful. For example, could you please open the window? This is a gentle way to ask someone to help you out. Another example, could you please show me the way? This shows that you appreciate the other person's assistance. Phrase 2, I'd like. This phrase is perfect for ordering food or asking for something politely. For instance, I'd like a cup of tea, please. This sounds much nicer than just saying, give me tea. Another example could be, I'd like to buy a ticket for the concert. It's a polite way to express your desire. Phrase 3, that sounds great. This phrase is a wonderful way to show enthusiasm and agreement in conversations. For example, if a friend says, let's go to the park, you can respond with, that sounds great. It shows you're excited about the idea. Another example could be, we'll watch a movie tonight. You can reply, that sounds great, to express your eagerness. Phrase 4, I'm not sure. This phrase comes in handy when you're uncertain about something. For instance, if someone asks you for directions and you don't know, you can say, I'm not sure where the station is. It's honest and straightforward. Another example could be, I'm not sure if I can come tomorrow. This communicates your uncertainty without sounding rude. Phrase 5, how about? This phrase is excellent for making suggestions in a friendly way. For example, how about going for a walk? It invites the other person to consider your idea. Another example could be, how about trying a new restaurant? This opens up a conversation about options. Here's a fun challenge for you. Choose one phrase each day and use it in 2 different sentences, just like we did here. This practice will help these phrases become a natural part of your speech. When you incorporate these phrases into your conversations, people will enjoy talking with you even more. Your English will sound less like a textbook and more like real life. Phrases connect you to everyday conversations and help you engage with others in a meaningful way. So remember, phrases are the building blocks of English. They make your speech polite, natural, and confident. Start small, practice daily, and soon you'll find that these phrases flow effortlessly in your conversations. Finally, dear friends, if this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Plain Simple English. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which phrase will you practice today? Together, we'll make English simple, natural, and full of confidence.